Hi, today I welcome you to have a look at one of SDLG's newest additions, the backhoe loader B877. SDLG is one of China's largest construction equipment manufacturer with a long history in the Chinese domestic market. So please join me today to have a closer look at the backhoe loader. The SDLG B877 comes with a parallel loader linkage. It's also equipped with a 1 cubic meter bucket that comes either as a multi-purpose bucket or a general purpose bucket. And of course, you can have pallet forks fitted to either one of them. With the SDLG B877 you have great maneuverability, many thanks to the 55-degree steering angle of the front wheels. The B877 comes with a Weichai Deutz 70 kilowatt engine. And as you can see, the engine hood opens up in a wide angle to give you great access for your maintenance points. The engine of the B877 transforms its power via the Carraro transmission and the Carraro axles to the wheels and to the ground. The B877 is also equipped with a 100% mechanical differential lock on the rear axle to give you best traction when you need it. The excavator of the B877 has casted reinforcements at all stress points. You also have a choice of either a standard arm or an extendable arm, as you can see here. The B877 comes of course with a wide range of buckets. And you have also a choice of other attachments such as hydraulic breaker or quick coupler. The B877 has all the hydraulics needed to run such an attachment. And as you can see, all hydraulic lines are neatly tucked away to not get caught in any obstacles. One of the most important parts of a backhoe loader is the cab. There is where the operator spends most of its time. The cab of the B877 is large and comfortable. It has also a nice large entry and exit, so please join me inside. From inside the cab you have great visibility around the machine for safe operation. All levers are also placed in an ergonomic way for an easy operation. To turn your seat to reach your excavator position, you have ample of space for both your feet and your legs. To ease communication with the surroundings when you're operating, all the rear windows of the B877 are openable. The cab also comes equipped with air condition and radio as standard. All in all, this gives you reliability in action when you operate your B877. So please contact your local dealer to find out more.